Hello guys, welcome you all on our YouTube channel Crypto Khajana. So in this video, we're gonna see the space dose mining. And before starting that, in previous video, I had said that in my next video, I will announce the giveaway winner of my first giveaway winner. I had announced that on Telegram group. You can go and check there. I will provide the link in the description box. So let's begin how you can mine the Dogecoin. So first of all, when you will click on the link, I will provide also the link of this website. You have to go in the description box, click on the link, and after that you will come to this registration page. Here you have to fill your full name. After that you have to choose a username, any username that must be unique, and here the password and then the retype password. After that you have to enter your email id and then retype the email id. And then here is option of secret question. You can write anything such as even if you write what's my name, and in the answer you can write your own name, that only for the convenience purpose. After that you have to click on I am not a robot, and then here you can see I am agree with terms and conditions. Check this one and click on register. You will be registered. No any verification, email verification will be sent. After that simply click on the login page. It will not be login. After that you have to log in. I have registered here, so I logged in. Type your username and the password which you have selected, and then again the reCAPTCHA one, and then login. It's too simple, and this website is too legit. You can even invest in this, but before investing you must do your own research. Personally, I am not suggesting you to invest in it, but if you want, then you can also invest in it. I find this website too legit. In this video, I will also show how you can increase your DH per second in free. So be with the video. Yeah, now here you can say my main balance is 0. Just right now I had registered it, and my active DH per second is 100, and it's already mining Dogecoin. Here you can also see how many Dogecoin I had mined till now. This is the amount of within 3 to 2 minutes. Here is the pending withdrawal total. When there will be 100 Dogecoin, then you will be able to withdraw the amount. Here you can see on the withdraw coin here. And one more thing you have to do here is you have to set your wallet address, whichever coin you want to. Here, as you can say Dogecoin, then here you have to fill this all things. These are all for the other coin. Only if you are mining the Dogecoin, then here you have to paste your Dogecoin wallet address, which you can easily get from the Trust wallet. If you don't know that how to copy that one, I think most of you know, but if any beginner were there, they don't know, then I will also tell this in my Telegram group. So join there. And for the purpose of increasing the GH per second, just go back to this main menu section. Let me get back to it. Okay, here if you want to increase your GH per second, then you have got the referral links are there. Go on referral dot links. Here you can say your affiliate link. Just copy this your affiliate link and send it to your friend. Whenever they will join, you will get the DH per second as a bonus. And you can also get GH per second if you are a good marketing student. Here you do the marketing, then you can also use this banner in your websites, or also you can promote this as a paid promotion, so that you get the maximum number of the people on your website as a referral. That's all about this website. Meet you in the next video. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.